In the previous sessions, we have discussed line chart, bar graph, and now in this session we will discuss histograms. Histogram is a graphical representation which organizes a group of data points into user-defined ranges. It provides a visual representation of numerical data by showing how the data points fall or lie within different range of values, and these range of values are known as bins. Histograms look similar like bar graphs with a little difference that there are gaps present between different bars in a single bar chart, whereas in case of histograms there are no such gaps. It means histograms are vertical bar graphs but without the gaps between the bars. In this slide, difference between histogram and bar graph is shown. Histograms display frequency of data, whereas bar graphs are used to compare different categories of data. Histograms are used for distribution of non-discrete values, whereas bar graphs are used for comparison of discrete variables. In other words, we can say that histograms are used for displaying frequency of occurrences, whereas bar graphs are for comparing data present in two different groups. So first of all, in the next slide we will see the syntax of creating histograms, and after that we will write Python code. See this slide. In this slide, syntax is shown. There are two different type of syntaxes. First syntax is used when actual frequency data is given, and the second syntax will be used in case when the data and frequency are present in two different variables. In both the cases we will use hist function for creating histogram, but the difference is in number of parameters or arguments that we need to pass in hist function. In the first case, when the frequency and data both are given in same variable, means actual frequency data is given, in that case the hist function require only two parameter. First parameter is data and second parameter is bins. But in the second case, when data and frequency are representing two different variables, then in that case hist function require three parameters, or you can say arguments. First one is data, second one is bins, and third one is weights. Weight denote frequencies. So first of all we will do an exercise in which actual frequency data is given, and after that we will do one more question in which frequency and data they are present in two different variables. So first of all let us look at the question in which actual frequency data is given. See the question. Here you have to plot a graph which shows how many population, it means frequency of population, lies between different ranges. Ranges are given, it is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and so on up to 140 to 160. After that, population ages data is given 22, 55, 62, and so on up to 48. So actually what we have in this question, one is data, that is population ages, and second one is different ranges, and these ranges are known as bins. So it means we have both the parameters, data and bins, which is required in our hist function. इट मीन्स कि अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलें तो वो ये पूछ रहा है कि कितने ऐसे लोग हैं, कितने ऐसे ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं जो जिनकी एज जो है 0 to 20 है, मतलब 0 to 20 के बीच में लाई कर रही है. उसके बाद वो पूछ रहा है कि 20 to 40 के बीच में ये रेंजेस गिवन है ना यहाँ पर, तो 20 to 40 के एज ग्रुप वाले कितने लोग हैं. फिर वो पूछ रहा है कि 40 to 60 के एज ग्रुप वाले कितने लोग हैं, 120 to 140 में कितने हैं और 140 to 160 में कितने हैं. सबसे पहले आप देखिए 0 to 20 की रेंज में कितने लोग प्रेजेंट है, तो वो आप कैसे बताओगे? उनकी पॉपुलेशन एजेस को जो डाटा गिवन है उसको चेक करने के बाद। 3 कौन से 3? एक तो जिसका एजेस का डाटा है, तो जिसकी एज 4 गिवन है, एक की एज गिवन है 9, तो ये भी इसके रेंज में है, और एक की एज 9 गिवन है, तो ये भी इसी की एज ग्रुप में 0 to 20। बाकी तो और तो कोई नहीं है, बाकी सारे ऊपर वाले एज ग्रुप वाले हैं। तो 1 2 3, एक तो ये है 4 और एक ये 9 है और एक ये 9 है, तो 0 to 20 की एज ग्रुप वाले पता लग गए। नंबर ऑफ पीपल आर 3। उसी तरीके से 20 to 40 के एज ग्रुप वाले कितने होंगे, इसको चेक कर लेते हैं। 20 to 40, 22 भी हो, फिर ये 21 भी आएगा, 2 3 ये भी होगा, ये भी होगा। पीपल कितने लाई करेंगे 20 to 40 में? 4। ठीक है, 0 to 20 में 3 थे, 20 to 40 में 4 है। उसी तरीके हम सबके लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे, 40 to 60 में, 60 to 80 में, एंड सो ऑन। अब देखिए, जैसे ये पता लग गया दैट 0 to 20 इसमें हमारे हैं 3, ठीक है, और 20 to 40 में 4 हैं। देखिए एक बार जो है वो 0 to 20 की रेंज में क्रिएट होगा, जिसकी हाइट होगी 3, और एक बार जो क्रिएट होगा उसकी हाइट होगी 4। सब डिफरेंट हाइट्स के बार्स क्रिएट होंगे, और जो डिनोट करेंगे फ्रिक्वेंसी। सो नाउ लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द कोडिंग पार्ट। First of all, import library, give it a short form by using as keyword. After that, take the data from question, this is the data which is given in question. After that, values of bins are different ranges, so it is also present in question, so take it from there. Remove this 0 to 20. Instead of this, write 0, 20, then 20 is present, so remove this 20 to 40, just take 40, 60. So now you can use hist function, pld.hist function for creating histogram. Pass the two parameter. First parameter will be the data. Data in this case is this one, population ages, so copy from here and then put at the first place. This is your data. After that, bins are these 0, 20, 40 and up to 160. So see the syntax is this one, which is shown in this slide. Okay, so same syntax has been used here in this question. After that, just display your graph, how your graph will look like by using show function. Run your code and see your histogram has been created. So you can also give the edge color, so provide edge color by using edge color parameter to make the graph more understandable. Run the code and now see your bars are showing more clearly in this case. Second bar is for range 20 to 40. In this range, the height of the bar is 4. It means there must be 4 data values present in your given data which lie in between 20 to 40. So let us now check your data points in population ages, because your data is population ages. So check it from there. So first value 22, it lie in between 20 to 40, so first value is this one, 22. After that 21 is there, 22 is there, Total 3 values are up to now. Then after that 34, fourth value. So total there are 4 age values which lie in between 20 to 40. It means y-axis is representing frequency of population according to their ages. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, these are different range of ages. This histogram is showing the frequency of population based on ages. In this age group 140 to 160, no data is present inside population ages. That's why here no bar will be created. Now see the second question, this one, which is based on when the data and frequency of occurrences are in different variables. The question is, plot a graph which shows how many population lie between different ranges. Ranges are from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60. Population ages are given 22, 52, 62, 16 and 17. And after frequencies of these different population ages are given 2, 4, 5, 3, 7 respectively. This question is similar like our first question with a little difference that in the first question actual frequency data was given, but in this case population ages is given separately and frequency of population is given in a different variable. First population age is 22. Its frequency of occurrence is 2. It means in your data 22 is present 2 times. Similarly 55, its frequency is given 4. It means in your data 55 is present 2 times. Similarly, next population age is 62, its frequency is given 5. It means 62 is present 5 times. 16 population is present 3 times in your data. 17 is present 7 times. So for solving this question we will use the second syntax of hist function, in which you need to pass 3 parameters: data, bins and weights. In the slide number 29, see the syntax. This is the syntax, and this second syntax, this syntax we will use for solving this question. So now let us see how to solve the question. First of all, take the population ages, which is your data for this question. So take the data. After that, different ranges are given. These ranges will be your bins. Remove 2, put comma in place of 2. After that, frequency of each given data values are 2, 4, 5, 3 and 7. So take the frequencies of different population ages in the form of a list and give it a name. Let us assume it is X. Import library. Now use hist function. And in this case we will use this syntax of hist function, in which you need to pass 3 parameters. First will be for data, second will be for bins, and third weight. So first is data. Data is your population ages. So take the same data, population ages. After that, bins. and then weights parameter. So x weights is equal to x. After that display your graph. Give one more parameter, edge color. Run your code and see. This type of histogram will be created. In range 10 to 20, see the population ages. Only 16 and 17. These two values lie in between 10 and 20. The frequency of 16 is given 3. See the variable x in which the frequencies are present. So 16 for age 16 the frequency is 3, and similarly for age 17 the frequency is 7. Since 16 and 17 both lie in between 10 to 20, that's why we will add the frequencies of both. So 3 plus 7 it will be 10. That's why height of the bar which is present in between 10 to 20 is 10. Let me repeat again. फिर से सुनिए. पॉपुलेशन एजेस में देखिए 10 to 20 के बीच में कौन सी वैल्यूज़ लाई कर रहे हैं. दो ही वैल्यूज़ हैं, एक 16 है, एक 17 है. फर्स्ट वैल्यू जो 16 है उसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी गिवन है एक्स वेरिएबल में विच इज़ 3. 17 है उसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी गिवन है 7. सो 16 और 17 दोनों ही 10 to 20 के बीच में लाई कर रहे हैं. तो हम इन दोनों की फ्रिक्वेंसीज 3 और 7 इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. 3 + 7 कितना होता है 10. So that's why the height of this bar is 10, which is present in between 10 to 20. Same case applies to 20 to 30. 20 to 30 के बीच में population ages में देखिए कौन सी वैल्यूज़ हैं. फर्स्ट वैल्यू है 22, उसके अलावा तो कोई और वैल्यू है नहीं. तो 22 की आप वो देखिए कि फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है. इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गिवन इन एक्स वेरिएबल विच इज़ 2. दैट्स वाई द हाइट ऑफ बार is 2 in between 20 to 30. Similarly 30 to 40. 30 to 40 की रेंज में पॉपुलेशन एजेस में कोई डाटा प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर कोई भी बार क्रिएट नहीं हुआ. 40 to 50 के बीच में भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, तो कोई बार क्रिएट नहीं हुआ. नाउ 50 to 60. 50 to 60 के बीच में आपके पास 55 एक वैल्यू प्रेजेंट है एंड फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ दैट इज़ 4. उसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी 4 है. दैट्स वाई 50 to 60 के बीच में एक बार क्रिएट हुआ है जिसकी हाइट 4 है. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस.